Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to cash out Pepe Coin to bank. So, I have actually 3 steps here. Step number 1 is to transfer Pepe Coin to an exchange. To do that, just select a cryptocurrency exchange, deposit Pepe Coin, and wait for the confirmation. And then for step number 2 is to convert Pepe Coin to a stable coin or major cryptocurrency. So to do that, just select a cryptocurrency exchange, deposit your Pepe coin, and wait for the confirmation. And lastly is to withdraw funds to your bank. To do that, convert your fiat currency and then link your bank account and then just withdraw fiat to bank account. And once you're done doing that, just wait for the process. It'll probably take 2 to 3 business days. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!